Crypto Frog in the house. What up? It's time for a ladling of gravy. Crypto gravy. Let people filter on through. This is an NFT by a super talented artist. It's the Eric Andre guy. I can't remember the name of that show that he made, but it was funny as fuck. Very funny guy. But before we get into it, this is by an artist called Smearballs. It's funny because at a time when NFTs, the space is just getting overloaded with crap, there are some seriously talented dudes out there. This is another one of Smearballs' NFTs. Look at that. Give me something like that. Not fucking polymorphs. God dang it. Welcome, 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 welcome to another episode. Thumbs up for the algorithm. If you want to chat, you have to be a subscriber. I'll have a look at the chat later. You have to subscribe for 1 minute and then you can chat away. If you didn't know, the Crypto Frog YouTube chat room is just where legends generally chill out, yo. Disclaimer, no financial advice. Even though these are the newest and hottest crypto/DeFi projects for 2021 Alpha Grave, yes. Yes. But you know, despite being flat legendary, no financial advice. You can follow me on Twitter, CryptoFrog202. I imagine that's where most of you come from. You can also subscribe to me on Subscribe because YouTube pays like absolute crap. 3 subscribers so far, legends, triple ledges. Link is in the video description. Let's do a price check. Price of one Woo currently 68 cents. Get the most important one out of the way. 1 Bitcoin currently 34.5 there. Ethereum just over 2.2k. Sexy. Come on, Ethereum. Yes, yes, yes. Right. Do you want that alpha gravy? The gravy like Mama used to make. I'm pretty much approaching 8.5k YouTube subscribers. Awesome. Right, let's get into it. Now, this one. Oh, a happy 4th of July weekend to all the burgers out there listening. This one is called Derived Finance. Now, this one does not have a token yet, but I think they're planning on making one. I can follow it now from my CryptoFrog account. Derived Finance, next generation multi-chain synthetics trading platform. You can follow their, you can go into their Telegram channel and you can go to their website. As you can see along the top here, our contract is still not deployed. Do not buy any tokens. So do not attempt to buy any token. But I just want to talk you through this project because it's pretty badass, yo. So about Derived. By the way, disclaimer, none of this is paid promotion. I just do it for the love of the game, yo. About Derived. Derived is a decentralized multi-chain asset protocol giving users access to trade stocks, commodities, Forex or crypto on a single platform with unlimited liquidity and zero slippage. Derived brings the power of smart connies to the world of derivatives trading, acting as a bridge between traditional and digital financial markets. Now, they are set to have a token, but don't go buying any yet. If you want to join their Telegram, go ahead and do so. I don't think they have a Discord. More on the Discord aspect of Alpha Gravy in just a minute as well. Let's have a look at some of the features. Leveraged minting. Mint XUSD, the platform native USD with up to 3x leverage. Hybrid assets. Buy a collection of assets like ETH, Bitcoin, Tesla, gold, or anything as one single hybrid token. Binary options. Bet on the asset if you think the price is going up or down. Multiple native currencies. Derived will support multiple currencies to let user trade in their native currency while being able to trade on global derivatives, global platform, and unlimited liquidity of assets. Pretty gravy. Now let's go onto the Medium, where you can read the white paper too. There's a white paper. I know, like, none of you are going to read that. Oh, so they're introducing the token right here. Boom. I haven't been keeping that close an eye on it. So it's called DVD. Is the native token. Derived native token is the main token of Derived protocol. Boom. So you're getting I'm getting the gravy at the same time as you are. The Derived tokens have the following utility: staking, minting, platform fees, governance. Yes. Three-way, baby. Three-way. I love a three-way. Platform fees, governance, conclusions. And yeah, you can read about that. And you can also read about the introduction to Derived Finance. You can follow them on Twitter. Derived Finance. They have just over 5,000 followers. Next one. This one is like pretty freaking exciting too. Ubiquity DAO. Without stability, we have nothing. UBI Quit Y DAO. 161 followers. Let's go on the website. Their website is fucking styling. Styling as fuck. So you got to press to continue. And it takes you here. Ubiquity dollar. UAD. Without stability, we had nothing. You can go to website, Discord, Docs, GitHub, and Farm. Some of them are ready yet, some of them aren't ready yet. Now, let me talk a little bit more about the Discord action. Because a lot of the time with these alpha crypto gravy projects, if you kind of go into the Discord and like introduce yourself, be like, yo, heard about your project from Crypto Frog's stream, you should subscribe to him, he's a legend, blah 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 blah. A lot of the time with these brand new projects, look at things like Inverse Finance and Cope. I know Cope's been absolutely tanking as shit, but a lot of the time if you're like in the Discord nice and early and you're one of the first 500 people in, you can, I'm not saying particularly it's going to happen with Ubiquity DAO, but could happen. And especially if you kind of strike up a bit of a rapport, then you're more likely to get involved. So join the thing. So let's click through to the website. This is a seriously professional operation. I'm in the Discord. Let me check on my phone how many people are in there. I don't think there's many at all. And a lot of work has gone into this. Where the fuck? I'm in so many Discords I can't find it. Discord really isn't the easiest when all you have to do is look at a symbol and figure out which one it is. Yeah, it only has 256 members. So that is the level of the gravy I'm giving you. Just over 160 Twitter followers and just over 250 Discord members. So the DeFi reserve currency, UAD, is the world's first scalable, sovereign and secure digital dollar. The farm ready for the next billion. Yeah. UAD is a scalable, sovereign, borderless digital currency. Unlike other DeFi stablecoins, UAD has been designed from the beginning to scale to billions of users. Now you may be thinking, oh Frog, why are you telling us about a new stablecoin? Like, how can we make money from that kind of shit? Well, you can by farming. There's 2 different tokens as of the current time. So you can get, as you scroll down here, liquidity provider incentives. So you earn liquidity provider incentives 2 different ways. No lockup deposit. You can put UAD3 CRIV in and you farm UGov, which is the other token, and then you can get the UAD out of the other side, but that's Sonurage. But considering it's a stable coin, the Sonurage aspect of that shouldn't really be too much of an issue. You can read all documentation and community and all that, but I gotta play you this video because it's fucking absolutely legendary for like a project pretty much no one has heard of until now. Check out how stylish this is. I will not be the only one that is impressed by the production value of this. And also the dev is always super active in the I'll put it on full screen. Bear with me. Yeah. Love it. That is styling as fuck. But yeah, check it out. They've got all your documentation. Join the Discord, ask around, see what you think. If you like, get involved, yo. They've got their GitHub and all that you can check out. I think this is definitely going to be one to watch in the future. You can see the GitHub. They've been like grinding pretty hard. Next up, why is my computer so shitty? PAPPA protocol. I can follow them now, yes. 66 followers. Building a cross-chain yield aggregation bridge DeFi for DeFi and banking. In June, they were able to make a lot of progress. Below, you'll find their summary. Now, they have a team. They are all doxed. Let's take a look at the website. It is PAYCER, PAYCER.io. So the team say they are developing a bridge protocol that aggregates DeFi and crypto services cross-chain and combines them with traditional banking services to create new user-friendly financial products and services available on an easy-to-use platform. They're going to have their white paper coming soon, but they have their light paper here. Scroll down and basically what they're going to have, they say it's going to be like a layer 3 interledger protocol, ILP. On top of the PAPPA protocol sits the PAPPA platform that combines the PAPPA protocol with traditional financial services like a bank account and debit card. Users only need to make a fiat money deposit on the PAPPA platform to get started. No interaction with cryptocurrencies or DeFi is required. That would bring in a lot more normies if the word got out, right? PAPPA will then automatically place a deposit in different DeFi products. So you can just like put like money from your bank into this and it will put it in different DeFi. It's pretty bad boy. I'm pretty sure you'll agree. Providing a high constant interest rate as a passive income, and who doesn't love passive freaking income? And they say they are mainstreaming, or they're planning to mainstream DeFi. Their primary goal is customer first strategy, boom. High interest rate, boom. If normies can hear about like DeFi related passive income gains like interest rates and shit. They'll be all over this. Risk management, cross-chain financial services, legal. Will operate from a headquarters in Hamburg, Germany, within the European Union. So regulated up the ass. PAPPA will have a partnership with a financial entity for an official banking license. Boom, 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 boom. So they do have, or they will have, do your own research, PAPPA token. Token is going to be called PCR, PCR. And what it does, it has value for the users in the community. Several benefits and incentives on the PAPPA platform includes voting right. Everyone does that. Token buyback. PAPPA will use 20% of the difference between the guaranteed interest rate and actual earned interest to buy back the PCR tokens. This will ensure steady demand and stable token price. Interest tier rewards depending on the amount of the PCR tokens compared to the amount of your account balance. Normies will eat this shit up. You can add up to 4.5% per annum additionally to your interest rate. Normies fucking love that shit. Staking rewards. And then they have loyalty type tiers. 1% or more of your PCR tokens in your portfolio and up to 10%. And then you get staking rewards extra, earn more interest extra, discount on loan fees extra. Token allocation. I think they very well may not even be in the pre-sale on this quite yet. I wasn't paid to promote this. I'm just spreading the word, yo. I am in the Telegram. I said hello. So maybe they'll sort me out. I do notice 4% for the old marketing. Sort me out. But yeah, public sale 18%, public sale B 15%, teamed at 10%. I do like that the team's only getting 10%. That is a low amount, yo. Let me put my tunage back on. I actually DM'd with the maker of this music, Split, and we had a nice chat. And you can see the roadmap down here, and then the team is like crushing. Check this out. So the founder is this guy, Richard Vo. He's been working as a full stack developer for over 17 years. Hot diggity. He founded his own web development company in Hamburg, Germany. Experience in smart contracts and used DeFi solutions since hour one. Gravy. Niels Gregerson. He's like a big IT dude too. Then they've got their CRO, investor relations manager. He looks like quite an old dude, so he'll be good in the meetings instead of these young bucks. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus advisor. And the advisor is based in Singapore, so maybe he'll bring in the old Asian market. And they're building it with all the leading DeFi technology. And read their white paper. In regards to the community, you can read all their Medium too. Let me find their I want to give you the Telegram, because I think I had to search for it. Yeah, the Telegram group has literally 119 members. Just search PAPPA protocol, all one word, and say hello. Say Crypto Frog sent you. He's a legend. So that's exciting. Let me just read the pinned massage. Yeah, I don't think they I don't think they've even started the pre-sale yet. They only have 66 followers on Twitter. Right, I'll keep talking about this one, but I think even if you just use it like 1 or 2 times and shit, why don't you use CalSwap? It'll stop you getting sandwich attacked, yo. Plus, they don't have a token out yet, and they have suggested that they are going to put a token out, and I think you'll like it if you try it. CalSwap.exchange. I just want to point it out because I got sandwiched just from one address. I got sandwich attacked for like over 6 Ethereum using Uniswap and SushiSwap, and this prevents that. It prevents that kind of bad action. I made a stream about DeFi sandwich attacks. If you haven't seen it, watch it. Next, Temple DAO. Now, as if you follow me on Twitter, you'll know that I'm a huge fan of like Olympus OHM 33 respect 33 respect ohmies. But Temple DAO is kind of looking to follow their lead and hopefully be as enormously successful as Olympus DAO is becoming. It's growing, but it's growing in strength. This is essentially all you have right now from Temple DAO. Now they do have a Discord, which you can find. Go to their Medium page, templedao.medium.com, or just maybe if you just Google Temple DAO, all one word, you'll be able to find it. I don't know why I'm telling you how to use the internet. But they have a bunch of people in the Discord, and there are some OGs who aren't telling you about Temple DAO. I've seen them in the Discord hanging around and shit. But this is a Matic based project. What they're hoping to do is bring the power of Olympus DAO onto Polygon. They're big fans of Olympus DAO, and they pay their respects to the ledge, aka Zeus, and all the Ohmies for pioneering a new category of coin. And they are bigging up Olympus, but they say that the biggest problem Olympus has is Ethereum itself, which is why they're doing it on Polygon. So their goals, if you go into the Discord, you can read all this for yourself. Safe, community driven, which is why I suggest you join the Discord. Shit like that should be like a hint in a way. Community driven? Maybe we might give you some free shit. Polygods, old and new, let's build this together. A lot of OG Olympus boys and gals are in the Temple DAO Discord too, I did notice. High compounding rewards. If you remember when Olympus came out, the APR and the prices went to the fucking moon. Still crushing, but when it first came out, it was ridiculous. High compounding returns, fiat independent central bank. So they still haven't run the pre-sale yet, and they still haven't officially launched. So very, 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 very early. Thank you, CryptoFrog, for the legendary crypto gravy. I must subscribe and tell all my socials to subscribe to CryptoFrog, and also because you're such a ledge, I'll subscribe to your subscribe star. Only $10 a month for legendary status. Pretty much what you pay on one Ethereum gas fee. Next one, InsureDAO, the open insurance protocol. InsureDAO allows anyone to create insurance market for their DeFi protocol and ensure its security. Read on to learn more or join us in the Discord. Again, with projects like this, the website is insuredao.fi. I always suggest you go into the Discord and just say hello. Just make your presence known. Can be good sometimes. Permissionless architecture. What makes InsureDAO different is its focus on permissionless architecture. Anyone can create an insurance pool just like a Uniswap liquidity pool. Dynamic premium. The pricing of premium is determined by market demand and supply of each insurance. Insurance premiums are higher when supply is low, which incentivizes the insurance liquidity providing. Now, normally, like, insurance projects don't, like, ring my bell and shit, but I like the idea of, like, dynamic premium and incentivizing, essentially making yield farming insurance with the yield farming aspect. I like that. Perpetual liquidity mining, butter, custom risk indexes, liquidity providers, underwriters, supply liquidity, trail of bits index pool, leverage liquidity set by DAO, individual risk pools of projects audited by trail of bits. So they're being audited by trail of bits. Or maybe not being audited, of projects audited by. These are just what's possible. I'm more confused though. You can basically invest if you think projects that have been audited by trail of bits will never get hacked, never get exploited, or if you think they might do, you can do that, can't you? And Brett, on the security of protocols with project teams largely based in China, premiums dynamically adjusted by the market will allow underwriters to hedge their risk exposure. Sounds exciting. Check it out. Now, this one I have mentioned before, Credo Network. They have a public sale starting soon. They have like 5,319 followers on Twitter. Credo Network. This project looks pretty bad, boy. As I have mentioned this on Alpha Gravy stream before, I won't go super into detail. They have their own like wallet and shit, and you have to like register for it. But it's radical new infrastructure. They claim blockchain interoperability, lightning fast settlement, and secure decentralized. Scroll down here. This is if you go to qredo.com, and this is another kind of like layer 3 aspect to it. They've got blockchain layer 1, Credo blockchain layer 2, and Credo decentralized messaging layer 3. I've got all their light paper, white paper, yellow paper, token paper. Let's read the token paper. Hurry up, geezer. I ain't got all day, geezer. But everyone is in the Telegram, and everyone's waiting on the pre-sale. So this is another pre-sale thing. And I think they're testing out like the testnet right now. And then and you can meet the team. The team, if I remember correctly, are quite impressive as well. And so you got like these guys, digital veteran, serial entrepreneur. He's the CEO, Anthony Foy, 20 plus years of experience in VC-backed growth companies. You've got you got a guy in charge of regulatory affairs, and he used to work for PricewaterhouseCoopers and HSBC. Yeah. CFO, Chief Design Officer. Design is butter on this. They've got business development team, 3 people in that. They've got technologists and advisors. Let's see the advisors. So they've got a member of the House of Lords as the chairman of their board of advisors. It's crazy. And Dr. Theodosis Miazores. He's got a PhD in information security and cryptography from University College London and from Cambridge University. So he's a lot smarter than me. And Dr. Mike Scott, he's a cryptography thing. I think this is like a London-based, yeah. So their offices in London and Sofia, and their investors, they've got a bunch of backers too. Plus, if you're looking for a job, they're hiring. Yes, sort me out. Sort me out, lads. Right, this is another like super fucking new one too, bros. Delhi Swap. An AMM that introduces liquidity with virtual reserves. You can find it by going to deliswap.medium.com. So you can read more about it here. I'm in the Discord for this, and also this has hardly anyone in it. I suggest you make your presence known if you have an interest in this. They don't have any kind of like token or anything yet, but let yourself be known to people. And if you go in there, they've been working on this quietly for a good few months now, but worth checking out, and always worth saying hello. I've talked about this one briefly as well. Panther, waiting patiently, very patiently for pantherprotocol.io. I'm in the Telegram. I'm keep saying like when pre-sale, yo. So this is private DeFi, early public sale info. Yes, they've got some big ass strategic investors: Moon Whale, AU 21 Capital, blah 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 blah, like loads of them. It's kind of like this is like Z assets, so it's like having some privacy, yo. Give me some privacy. Why won't you give me my privacy, mama? Can't I have my own bedroom? I'm like 16 now. I just wanna knock one out in peace and quiet. They're gonna have like all this shit like Panther Wallet, Panther Vaults. I love the sound of a vault. Ooh, saucy. Privacy miners, and then Panther Token, finite supply, privacy preserving gas token used to pay for fees in the Panther ecosystem. Yes. The token is going to be called ZKP, but there are no ZKP tokens in the market. Beware of scams. Just pointing it out, yo. Next one. Theos.fi, DeFi paradise for NFTs. This is quite an impressive project too. So the Theos IDO launch is coming soon. Get ready for the hyperchain ultimate solution for fungible to non-fungible multi-token environment, liquidity, mining rewards, authenticity of collaboration, and crypto derivatives in a carbon neutral platform. So they've got some they're kind of like teasing these face reveals. I don't know who this Matt Sorum is, but he must be semi-famous. He's got like 154,000 followers. He's a musician. But they're like teasing these face reveals soon. You can tokenize your media and support a cause. Old photographs, exclusive video, a special message, a shout out, even a tweet. It's quite exciting. Proof of collaboration based platform. So you can become your own creator by NFTing, tokenizing all your shit. Drag and drop tokenizing tool, collaborative gallery, NFT, liquidity pools, crypto funds, NFTs, collateral, passive income from NFTs. Sexy. They're big into like social environment, so they'll get onto all the tree huggers down. And you can subscribe to their newsletter. These are their tech partners. But this guy or one of the founders is one of the founders of Virgin Galactic. Yeah. And I ain't pulling your turkey. This is built for Cardano, by the way. This is built on Cardano. So this is a Cardano-based project. Frequently asked questions. I love a good FAQ. Alright, so where can I buy Theos tokens? Theos token cannot be currently obtained in either centralized or decentralized exchanges. At the time, we're exclusively carrying out private rounds through VC partners. Please be aware of anyone offering Theos tokens. So private investors, partners, they're going to get it cheaper. But then IDO, as plebs, we can still get it cheaper than people who haven't heard about this project until it goes live. And they have got a pretty badass team and a nice project too, in my opinion. I'm not entirely sure. Let's see, have a look at the tokenomics. Anyway, join all their socials. They've got their Telegram, they've got their LinkedIn, they've got the Discord, Medium. They've even got Instagram and a Twitter. Stay up to date. Now this one is causing a bit of a thing on the internet, on crypto Twitter anyway, on the internet. Rail. I tweeted about it. I'm kind of keeping an eye on it. It's kind of like a privacy DeFi project. I think they had some issues with the launch. Some people paid like way over the odds. But I mean, I don't know. Surely if they'd done their own homework, they would have known not to pay like $500 for one of them. This is the website railgun.ch. This is the first token I'm talking about today that's actually on Gexter. This is how alpha gravy this is. Railgun privacy on Ethereum. They've got their white paper. They've been audited. Token contract, so you can buy this one already. Privacy is strength. So they just launched on Saturday, July 3rd, 2021 at 1 p.m. UTC. So this is kind of similar in style to Panther Protocol in a way, because it's got the ZK Snark zero knowledge proofs, and it's all about privacy and keeping your DeFi a bit private, isn't it? Privacy is strength. Railgun doesn't restrict you to certain denominations. This is what I did like about it actually. Unlike existing efforts, Railgun doesn't restrict you to certain denominations or certain token types in order to transact privately. As a permissionless system, Railgun is geared to allow you to send, receive, swap, borrow, or add liquidity with any ERC20 token, even brand new tokens yet to be created in any denomination without compromising your privacy, or anonymity. No developer action is needed to support a new DApp or new token or deployed on Ethereum. You can use ETH, USDT, DAI, or any other asset in Railgun. And with Railgun, it's not just about transactions either. Railgun is a safe place to keep your valuable blockchain assets at rest in complete privacy, ready to be transacted with at any time. You can scroll through, but all their team is like, considering they're a privacy project, the team don't mind showing their faces, but they've got pretty experienced team. This guy looks a bit funny, but he's got a good background, and she looks a bit weird, but she's a certified Bitcoin professional, don't you know? And they got their socials, Twitter, Telegram, announcement Telegram. Right, I'm going to look at your chat for a bit. I'm having a gravy overload. You can only chat if you're subscribed. Passive viewership does not pay on Crypto Frog YouTube. Fave's intro song, DH Ledge. He's a subscribe star Ledge. Todd Parker finally made a live stream for the first time. Real time gravy, guy dang right. CowSwap runs off Gnosis and yes. I'm pretty sure Matt Sorum was the Guns N' Roses drummer. Nice. Nice one. You can count on Frog to roast the team no matter the qualifications. Well, I mean, yeah. But yeah, I hope you tried CowSwap. That shit is real good. All right, next. Quiet's a bit chat. The chat's the chat is a bit quiet today. PAPPA protocol. PAPPA protocol, a decentralized derivatives-backed stablecoin protocol. Quote, not your typical Ponzi algo coin. Ooh, saucy. Let's go to their website. It's PIKA protocol.com. PAPPA is the world's first stablecoin backed by decentralized derivatives. Learn more. What is PAPPA? Stable uses derivative positions to back its price stability around a $1 target. PAPPA is minted by opening and 1x short position of an inverse perpetual contract. Pretty giga-brained. You can try and mint PAPPA, but it doesn't actually do anything because it's still not up and running 100% yet, but you can join all their socials. Always a good idea. Capital efficient, yield bearing. Love the yield bearing. Then they're going to have their own exchange too. Sexy. They're going to have PAPPA Share, PKS. So PKS is going to be the governance token that controls the choice of perpetual market and exchange parameter adjustments. Staking. You can stake. I love stake. And insurance. PKS can be minted by governance to back the PAPPA exchange in the rare case of insurance fund insolvency. This is their Medium page. You can read about their thing and get more information. Next. D.social. Own your digital experience. So this one, kind of similar in some ways to Theos. But maybe a little different, because you can see it's a decentralized social content platform bringing the power of digital asset ownership to the people. Power to the people! Turn your unique content into NFTs with just a touch of a button, proving originality and ownership. Discover truly original content, interact with people you love, or build your audience. So much going on in DeFi and NFT space these days. It's crazy. Exchange, auction, or gift original content created across the world entirely on your own terms. Safely add, send, and receive funds with their secure crypto wallet. Easily import an existing wallet or generate a new one. So July. We're in July. They're going to have their token launch. Social. It's called Social. He's a bit antisocial, but it's called Social. Then August, they're going to announce their key partnerships in July as well. Security audit in August. Liquidity program first round. So that might be like a incentivized, like 3x liquidity farming. My kind of farming. Farm in the fields. And September, public launch. So token, maybe a private sale is this month, if you're watching live, or in the month of July 2021. And September, public launch, desocial staking liquidity program. So if this is what you like, maybe you can get it in July. Get in on the first round of the liquidity program, and then have a bunch of tokens by the time it publicly launches, isn't it? No financial advice. This is the social token then. The social token enables you to govern and earn. Desocial token holders and social liquidity providers hold the right to govern the community treasury through voting on protocol improvements and proposals. Social token can be staked in return for desocial, a revenue accruing token. Each desocial holds 1 voting power, while each social in a liquidity pool holds 2 voting power. Liquidity programs. Social token holders can pair social with stablecoins and other approved tokens on the Polygon network. So this is another Matic network project. LP token holders earn fees from swaps between pairs and can participate in LPs. Butter. Next. This one is called Alchemia, a permissionless open source protocol for hash powered backed contracts, issuance and structured products. It has 724 followers. They have this website. Not much information is out as of now. You can just put your email address in there to express an interest, and you'll get updates on new research we publish as well as new product releases. So that's what you want to do, isn't it? If you like the look of this. This is kind of a mystery project in a minute. Let's look at the documentation. So all the information on the thing is down here, but it's still kind of scant. So check it. Now this one, I got an airdrop, and I think I've mentioned it before, but it's Aladdin DAO. Farm with DeFi big brains. I got an airdrop because the website is Aladdin Club and the Twitter is Aladdin DAO. All one word. Because I got an airdrop. You can actually buy the Aladdin token, because I think some people who got the airdrop made their own liquidity pool, but the Aladdin DAO team don't vouch for that, and actually think they suggest you don't use it. But if you want to, but the thing is, there really isn't much liquidity in there at all. But this is coming out soon. They've got some massive backers. Polychain Capital, 1KX, Sam FTX, he's got his sticky fingers in everything. CMS, Digital Currency Group, DeFi Alliance, Multicoin Capital, Nancent. Then they've got the founder of SNX, and audited, verified by PeckShield, and also Certic rubbed their hands over the contract once. And you can read all the information there. They got the airdrop. I think they're going to do a series of different airdrops, so I suggest you get into the Discord, because then you'll be able to vote on what kind of airdrops you want to see. Now this one is coming out soon. I've talked about this numerous times, but I'm really excited to get involved in this one. Muon Network. Yes, come on, baby. MUON_net. It's coming out soon. They're picking up the marketing aspect, and the website is filling out nicely. MUON.net. Muon is now an elementary node layer to decentralized systems. Now, I'm sometimes in the Telegram group, and they always like rip the piss out of the frogs there. They're like, you can't even say like Deus. But these are this is like a offshoot from, well, not an offshoot per se, but like made by the same guys who made Deus. I think I got that correctly pronounced and shit. But they are going to do I think they did an airdrop already to people who've been long time users of the Deus network and system, etc. But then they're going to open up like a pre-sale to everyone else, and we can all jump on board. But lots of people are really looking forward to this a lot, and we can see the token distribution: 10% seed round, 15% private sale, 15% liquidity incentives, 34% ecosystem incentives, 15% team. Pretty good. 6% partners, advisors, 5% marketing. Hello, Crypto Frog in the area. Sort me out. Here we go. The private sale round for partners and strategic investors is currently ongoing. So they sold 12 million at 5 cents. That's closed, hard capped 600k. And private sale apparently is ongoing, but I still haven't heard about that, because I'm pretty sure, unless I didn't make the whitelist, if I didn't make the whitelist, I will be a little bit sick. You can read the thing, but join the Telegram group and be like, yo, Crypto Frog sent me, and he wants to know why the sale's ongoing, and he's not involved. God dang it. Alright, let's have one quick look at the chat, and then I'm going to cruise off, yo. The gravy is thick. We're digesting it. Yes, sir. Reckon Pacer looks the best gravy. Yeah, Pacer looks nice. Rectify the likes. Thank you. What do I think about the price of Convex or CRV? I'm not entirely sure, bro. I haven't checked it out. Let's do a quick oh shit. Let's do a quick run through of everything I discussed. Derived.fi, Ubiquity, ubq.fi, Pacer, pacer.io. Too much gravy. Try cowswap.exchange. It is badass. Temple DAO. They're going to attempt to do OHM style things on Polygon. Ensure DAO. Credo. Radical new infrastructure. Too much gravy. My computer is actually going slow. It's stuck in the gravy. Panther Protocol. Theos, DeFi paradise for NFTs. Railgun. That's already out. Most of these ones aren't. Pika. Desocial. Alchemia. Aladdin DAO, farm with DeFi big brains. And Muon Network. Appreciate the gravy. No problem. If you're not subscribed, click subscribe. Thank you very much. Disclaimer, none of this was financial advice. You must always do your own research. Thumbs up for the algorithm. I've been Crypto Froggerino. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoFrog202. And I'll catch you on the flip side, isn't it? This music is by Split, owned by Crypto Frog, all rights reserved. Illegal reproduction of this work will lead to 10 years in prison. But you may listen to it on my YouTube channel for free. Both of my intro songs are uploaded on the Crypto Frog YouTube channel under Tunes playlist. You can play them back to back, uninterrupted. Alright guys, and girls. Not many girls though. I've seen the analytics. It's an absolute sausage fest. A middle-aged sausage fest. Some young'uns, some young bucks. Alright, peace out. Stay stylish. Suckle on that gravy teat.